The Talking Bus Stop Selector web app is used to set up bus stop locations and routes for the FlexSpeak ADA Talking Bus system. In this video, you'll learn how to find and add stops, how to save or modify a route, and how to insert or remove stops. We'll also go over operational instructions, directional tips, and viewing stops. The web app is accessible directly on the Intermotive website or through the FlexSpeak programming utility. On the website, go to Support, Tech Support, Downloads. When the page loads, click on FlexSpeak ADA Talking Bus. Here you will see everything related to the product. Under Resources, click on the Bus Stop Selector, Talking Bus web app. On the web app, the first thing you'll want to do is allow location access for the map. Click on the button at the top right of the map. If it's your first time using the web app, you'll get a notification asking for your consent to allow location access. Once you click on Allow, the map will show your general location to make it easier in selecting your bus stops. The text to the right of the map are the instructions and descriptions of the buttons. You can hide this information by clicking on Hide Instructions. Now you can start configuring your stops and route. How to find and add stops. To select a bus stop, you can click on an existing Google Maps bus stop icon. It will display the stop name. Click on Add to Table. It will add the name of the stop and actual latitude and longitude of the location. You can edit the name, the bus movement direction, and geofence radius. Bus movement direction is which way the bus will be driving as it approaches the stop. In this case, the bus will be driving down through here and will be going south. So you would select South. The geofence radius is how far from the center of the bus stop location the message will trigger. We'll keep it at 200. To select a stop that does not exist on Google Maps, just click on a point on the map. It will display the latitude and longitude. Click on Add to Table. You can type in the name, select the direction, and change the radius if desired. There are some cases where the bus movement direction is unclear, like this stop. You can add it to the table, then use the compass icon to help guide your selection for direction. Click and drag the compass to the street where the bus will be approaching from. You'll notice the stop is positioned between the southwest and southeast range. So we'll select South. There are special cases where you might want to have a stop message triggered from multiple directions. For example, for this stop, we want to have it triggered from both east and west. Let's add to table and select the dash symbol. This will ensure the message for this stop is triggered from any direction. How to save a route. When you're finished adding all your stops, click on Save Route File. The name of the file must be 7 characters or less. You'll want to save this on your SD card in the Routes folder, or on your computer in a master folder containing all the files for your SD card. How to modify an existing route. Click on Load Route File and select a saved route from your SD card in the Routes folder. Once the route loads, it will show the stops on the table. Let's say you want to add a stop in between stops 2 and 3. Select your location on the map, and then click on Insert into Table. It will ask what number this new stop will be. We'll type 3. It will be added in as stop 3, and you'll see the other stop move down. You can type in the name of the new stop and edit the parameters. When you're finished, click on Save Route File and overwrite the existing file. How to remove route stops. If you want to remove a stop, you can use the button at the far right of each row. Click on Delete, and it will be removed, with the rest of the stops moving up in order. How to view route stops. As a visual aid to see all the stops on a route, click on View Stops. This will display markers at each of the stops to help in visualizing the order and direction of your route. For more information or tech support, call us at 800-969-6080 or visit us online at www.intermotive.net. Thanks for watching.